and welcome to Grandad's Reviews. Have you ever quickly flicked through your owner's manual, looked down at some of the settings and thought, wonder what that actually does, and is it actually any use to me? So what I thought I'd do is have a go through some of the more obscure settings that's in the manual and on the camera and see if what they do and if they're actually worth using. And the first one I'm going to look at is Store AF Mode by Orientation. So let's have a look at that. So if we go into the menus on the camera, this is the XT30, but it's the same on the XT3, and you go up to AF/MF section and you've got Store AF Mode by Orientation, and you've got a choice of off, focus area only, or on. So in the off mode, you've basically, if this was my setup and I wanted to focus on that tripod in landscape, it's fine. If I then wanted to focus on the top of the other monopod but in portrait, I've got to move the actual focusing point up. And if I come back down and I want to go across that one, I can move it there. If I just reset that. So if you go into the setting, just do focus area only, and this is the one I found the most useful. Now, same situation. The prerequisite is that you have to pre-plan this, so this is not something that's going to be correct for every time you're shooting, but if you're in a situation where this is required, then you're going to have to pre-plan. So we set the first focus point to that one. If I do then move our focus point up to the top, when I come back down, focus point moves to that originally set position. So I'm not having to move it myself, it's doing it for me, which I found really useful in certain situations. Now, the other thing you can do, go back into the menus, and then you've got on. In this situation, same thing's still happening, it's still moving, but say here we want single point. In this situation here, I want zone, so that's got zone, single point, zone, and moves the box, single point. So you're actually programming the orientation to have different focusing modes. I don't find that one quite as useful as just focus area only, which I do find quite useful. Even in that situation, I haven't got to recompose as much, because the other thing you would do is there, recompose, there, recompose. But if you've got it set to there and to there, it just helps you work a bit quicker. So that is the Store AF Mode by Orientation. Next time we'll have a look at a different obscure setting and see what that does and see if it's of any use. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. And if you want to be notified, hit that bell button. Until next time, see you later.